11 देशों के प्रतिनिधि, 6 केंद्रीय मंत्रालयों और 16 राज्यों, संघ राज्य क्षेत्रों के शामिल होने की संभावनाएं हैं। इस वीक 22-26 सितंबर 2026 के दौरान इसी स्थल पर सेकंड इंटरनेशनल वाटर सैनिटेशन एंड हाइजीन कॉन्फ्रेंस 2026 का भी समानांतर आयोजन किया जाएगा। जल, स्वच्छता एवं हाइजीन से जुड़ी प्रमुख चुनौतियों पर चर्चा के लिए विशेषज्ञों, शोधकर्ताओं और प्रैक्टिशनर्स द्वारा स्केलेबल, अफोर्डेबल और सस्टेनेबल समाधानों को बढ़ावा दिया जाएगा। ये सभी राज्य सरकारों, केंद्रीय मंत्रालयों, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय संगठनों, विश्व भर के प्रतिनिधियों, देश विदेश के जल विशेषज्ञों, संबंधित एग्जीबिटर्स, स्टेक होल्डर्स, शिक्षाविदों, टेक्नोक्रेट्स, NGO तथा मीडिया फ्रेंड्स को इंडिया इंटरनेशनल वाटर वीक में बढ़ चढ़कर भाग लेने हेतु सादर आमंत्रित किया गया है। मैं आपसे विनती करता हूँ कि आपके प्रिंट और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया के माध्यम से लोगों को जल के बारे में जागरूक करने की आवश्यकता है।
Kerosene oil storage up to 2,500 liters, and a one-time relaxation for 5,000 liters for PDS kerosene has been given for ensuring last mile continuity. And the domestic availability of ammonium nitrate has been secured by imposing a ban on the exports in the month of March. Thereafter, the LNG filling in the cryogenic cylinders, the guidelines have been now permitted so that the decentralization of LNG supply can be ensured, and which has ensured and enhanced the flexibility of fueling during the disruptions. Further, PESO has also issued directions for time-bound disposal of applications of CNG stations and decompression units for fast tracking, and today the time is even less than 10 days. And for immediate supply constraints, the permissions have also been granted for LPG unloading at Porbandar jetty in the month of March. For transparency, the PESO container manufacturers, the list has been shared and in the public domain for the users to take up and has been uploaded on the website. A temporary 6-month exemption has also been provided for requirements of CNG or CBG compressors for fast track dispensation. More than 18 MMT of naphtha, but we consumed hardly 11.5 MMTPA. So that's the status. E100, flex fuel. So the question was whether we are going to increase the base fuel. I must say that it is an idea whose time has arrived, and by blending we are saving on our imports, and the stakeholder consultations are going on, and in the due course we will inform you the decision there also. And regarding flex fuel also, government is trying to bring all the stakeholders together. On one side, the automobile companies have to keep the vehicles ready. At the same time, our oil marketing companies also have to be ready to, supply that kind of fuel.
Involving Indian flag vessels has been reported in the last 24 hours, and our seafarers are safe in Persian Gulf region. The Indian flagged crude oil tanker, that is Desh Garima, which crossed safely on 18th of March, is likely to reach Mumbai today evening, and it is carrying 31 Indian seafarers. The shipping control, the control room has handled around 7,200 calls and about 15,000 emails since its activation, and in past 24 hours 156 calls and 344 emails have been received. The ministry has facilitated the safe repatriation of more than 2615 Indian seafarers so far, including 25 in last 24 hours. Port operations across India remains normal and no congestion reported.